Deluxe, huh? I agree. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Max Deluxe in the OG Photo Blue colorway. Now, the Air Max Deluxe was originally released in 1999 and took some details of the Air Max 97 as well as its own little revolutionary designs like the TPU cage and the cloth upper to give it its own special look. And the result was one of the most comfortable Air Max shoes at the time. And to this day, it's one of the most eye-popping designs with the kind of like scaled upper and this kind of like wave pattern. Although it's called an Air Max Deluxe, ironically enough, it's not a part of the official Air Max line, like the yearly line. This is not the Air Max 99. The Air Max 99 was a completely different design. That'll probably be released next year for the 20th anniversary of that shoe. But I'm glad that they brought this shoe back. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is photo blue and wolf gray. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly cloth-like design with the TPU cage overlay and this type of wave print in photo blue, wolf gray, and white. Taking a look at the toe, you got a TPU rubberized photo blue toe box. Moving towards the tongue, you got the TPU overlay as an outline, as well as the photo blue, wolf gray, and white tongue. And for the tongue tag, you got the same rubberized design as the toe box has with the black Nike swoosh on it. Taking a look at the insole, you got a orange insole with the black Nike swoosh on it. The sock liner is that soft suede-like felt material, and it feels really nice to the touch. Taking a look at the lateral, you got the photo blue, white, and gray pattern design on the cloth upper, as well as the TPU cage, and you've got the gray Nike swoosh. Also on the lateral, you got the scale design, which also helps the shoe pop. Taking a look at the heel, you got the TPU cage stretching from the lateral to the medial, as well as this iridescent back tab and a 3M tab on top of it. The medial features the clothed upper, as well as the TPU cage. However, it does not feature the Nike swoosh. You've got a different iridescent color for the midsole, as well as the chambered Air Max unit, and you've got the Air Max 97 styled outsole in black, orange, photo blue, and white. This is still, to this day, one of the most comfortable Air Maxes to release ever. And when they announced that they were bringing this back, I had to pick this one up. And I'm very, very pleased with it thus far. The color scheme, everything, there's nothing really I can complain about. And I'm definitely gonna pick up some more colorways as they release. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Max Deluxe Photo Blue hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 15th for a retail price of $180. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.